Good morning, good afternoon. Please, I greet my mother, I greet my brother, I greet my sister. I pass this message for everybody where you are living in Germany. Don't look my English, whether it correct or it's not correct. Wetin I want to talk, na you need to listen. Please, because this thing here, like play, if it reach your turn tomorrow, please, I beg you the name of God. Then black people, Nigeria people, whether you be Nigeria, whether you be Senegal, whether you be Ghana, whether you be Morocco, please, we need to come outside and talk this thing, because you fit sit down for one place and laugh the person wey dey collect their children. If it reach your turn tomorrow, if it reach my turn tomorrow, nobody know tomorrow, because it's not easy to carry pregnant. It's not easy to carry pregnant. Although these white people, they forget say black people, they get our culture, the way that they take our children. You understand me? Because why one person you go come born one, born two, born three, they go just come like that to collect their children, say they no dey take care of children well. I know, I understand, say a lot of our black people, they will give in the money to take care of the child. They no go use that money to take care of the child. Then we be mother, you go dey wear Brazilian head, you go dey wear Gucci, you go dey wear better cloth, better things, but you no go fit wear your children better cloth, you no go fit wear your children better things. You go dey pack the children on money, you go dey pack am go house. It's not right. But please, I want to beg Jama. I no go talk say Jama is not good, because me, I dey Jama since how many years wey I don dey Jama now, they never collect my children. But I don't know where I tomorrow want to be. You understand? I don't know how tomorrow want to be. You understand me? But see, although this mother wey be like say dem dey do that one, another punishment dey wey be like say dem fit do for am, no be to take care of our children. Then the children no be say dem go give us back. Dem no go give us back. This problem now, your pastor no go fit fight for you. Your mother wey dey Nigeria, wey you dey pack money give her, you no go fit fight for you. Your sister wey you go pack your money go give, dem no go fit fight for you. Na we go fight by ourselves. Even your pastor no go fit give you lawyer wey go fight this problem for you to give your children back. Na you suppose to fight this thing by ourselves. I watch this video, I feel the pain. I know say these people, they no go talk the real wetin they do before they collect their children. Only wetin they go dey shout, Jama go collect my children, Jama collect my. Nobody go hear that one wey they no go feel the pain, because it's not easy to carry pregnant. Please, I beg Jama president, please, another punishment dey you can give us. Is not by to take our children. It's not by to take our children. I beg you the name of God. It's not easy to carry pregnant for 9 months. It's not easy to enter the labor room and deliver the baby. Some people deliver the baby with pregnant. This time for black, this time for Nigeria, this time for Ghana or Gambia, it's not for time for us to make up. It's not for time for us to wear Brazilian hair. It's not for time to go to party, because this thing can happen to you tomorrow. This thing can happen to your sister tomorrow. I beg you the name of God. I no fit talk. E dey keep person some time. Germany is good. It's not be say Germany is not good. German president is very nice person, because they no write us letter to come their country. Now we use our leg come this country, say you dey find better life. But if you reach Germany or France or Italy, you need to obey their law. You need to obey their law, because if our country is better, that our fucking country is good, nobody can come here to come and suffer up and down, because this one is sufferness. Why person go shout for their kids? Maybe the children do bad thing. Okay, just tell your children, stop that thing, don't do this thing again. Then this thing will happen if your children start to go school. You need to start to beat that children. All the fucking things you are doing, you need to stop if that children don't start to go school. Or if you are living in camp, you need to respect yourself and respect your social. Because if you don't do this thing, if all of these people enter your family or something like that, now this thing go end though. They go collect your children. I understand say our children is black, but Jama, they don't understand that one. They don't understand. As far as say they has the children, your mother beat you, your mother do this one. If the children wey be like say im mother no use cloth, press their mouth wey they born am, the children go start to talk puru 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 puru. I mother go born, carry the pregnant for 9 months, start to maltreat their children. It's not possible. It's not nice. That child, if you no do bad, the mother no go beat am. But don't they beat children for Germany like Nigeria? Germany no want all that thing. Maybe they see mark for the children for body. They no want am. If you give your children money, please let that children benefit inside the money. That money is not for you, it's for your kids. You can use your own, whatever you want to use your own, do. But that children money is not your own. Please, I beg mother, because this thing is getting too much. A lot of people go come outside, but they no go talk wetin they do before they collect their children. Because a lot of people did this Germany 20 years, 25 years, 15 years. They no collect their children. If a person want to help you, you need to talk true. See this one where I watch now. He say him wife, he dey prison. That pikin na 1 month. They still collect another one. Wetin your wife do before they collect that children? I feel pain for you. Don't think say maybe I no feel pain because I'm a mother too. I feel pain for you. But if your wife no do anything, you take care of the kids well, you do everything proper, then Jama just collect the children for your wife hand like that. No, it's not possible. Your wife do something. Because a lot of people that they collect their children, they know they put the woman for prison. What will your wife do before they put your wife for prison? You need to talk true. Don't let people see Jama. Don't let people see Jama government like wicked people. Jama government is not a wicked. It's not a wicked. This thing, I'm really hungry. Jama government is not wicked at all, because I discussed this thing. And even they sit down, they reason. They're not wicked like that. Say they will just knock your door and take care of your children for you. Not be say the children don't start to go school. Maybe your children go report you for school. You no do that one. German government go come just take care of your children. Say no, you are not a good mother to take care of it. Your wife do something. Maybe you is not around. You go to work or you go somewhere else. Then if you come your house and take care of your children like that and put your wife for prison, what will your wife do? My brother, wetin your wife do? Your wife do something before they put your wife for prison. Your wife no keep person, you know do bad thing. They just collect their children as then they still come put them for prison. No, my brother, is not right. If you want to talk something for social media, you need to talk true. You need to talk true so that person can know the place they can start, they can help you. If anybody wants to help you, you can't go to lawyer and expect this thing to lawyer. The lawyer self go sit down to reason. Your wife no do anything, you no fight with anybody, you no do any, you no commit crime. They just put your wife for prison. Please, our Nigeria people, I beg you the name of God. The name where they give Nigeria is getting too much. It's getting too much. This our character, we need to stop. No be only we dey for abroad. If you go here Nigeria, if you go this place Nigeria, wetin happen? They don already spoil Nigeria. We come up for Nigeria. They still come join another name for that country. It's not good. It's not good. Some people go dey camp the way they go misbehave self. You think say maybe social no dey wash? They wash. They monitor you. They do everything before they go give you document. Because you wey be like say they never give you document. You dey misbehave. You dey fight. If you drink finish, you go be like say you dey see evil or something like that. And go they insult social. Yes, I know so social is not a god, but this country, not their country. Now their fucking country is not our country. If you thought say you know your rights, you want to fight for your rights. If you want to fight your rights, go to Nigeria, go and fight Buhari. No be Jama government you go they fight. No be Jama you go they fight, because this country is not our country. It not belongs to Nigeria. We just come here to come and find better life. No be say you could come reach here, finish. You could come they misbehave. It's not good, my Nigeria people. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. I want you to help me watch this video and share the help me share this video, because this problem is not easy. I'm a mother. I feel pain for the man where they talk, but this man never talk true. This man never talk true. I no side Jamie. I no side them at all. I know say they like to collect children where. But if the person no do something, they no go fit collect your children like that. So mother, they go give you money to take care of your children. You no go take care of that kid. You no go take care of the kids. You go the place where they sell €1 cloth, where they send €2 cloth. It's not nice. If you go to shop, €5 cloth a day, €6 cloth a day, 7, even though if your pikin wear the cloth, they look your pikin for her side. No be say you go dey talk say if you want to build house, me I talk this thing several times. No be today I dey talk this thing. If you want to build house, use your whole money to build house for Africa. Don't they use that children, because that fucking children no go to Africa say want to go sit down for there. I'm sorry, guys. I go take care of my children. She's crying. So, as I was saying, please don't see German government like wicked people. They are not wicked. German president is not wicked. If you want to fight with your rights, because a lot of people they talk about this money. How much did they give? How much did they give? If you are a good mother, you are a good father, the children, if they spend more than that money where government they give person. If you are a good mother or good husband, that child they spend more than that 200 and something euro where they give children. Because if you buy pampers, if your children still they drink milk, or if you know they drink milk, if they eat, that children they buy clothes for your children, they buy shoe for your children, that child they spend more than that money. So people stop talking to say because of money. Then I want to talk with women. Although these ladies, where your husband go there for France or Italy, they will tell you, say, go born for Germany, I will come and meet you. You will come be like single mother for a year. This thing is not right, because it's not easy for woman to take care of 2 children. Your husband even stay with you. It's hard, because here is not Nigeria. We be like, if you want to go supermarket, you can drop your children for somebody. Yeah, you know if you drop your children for any fucking body. You know if you drop your children for any fucking body, because maybe your children is very stubborn person, you go drop them for person, you go beat them. If you come back for the place where you go, say that body you go know, say yes, this woman he beat my children. If your husband dey for Italy, stay with your husband for there. If your money no dey today, money go come tomorrow. If your husband dey for France, stay with your husband for France. If your husband dey for Germany, stay with your husband for Germany. Although these things sef, e dey make social to collect children for person hand. I no talk about people wey be like say they dey with their husband before, then they come, maybe one problem just happen, they just separate the husband and wife. I dey talk about women where your husband will tell you go born for Germany, I will come and meet you. At the end of the day, the man will not come meet you. You go come dey push kidavagin, only you with 2 children. It's not easy. If me and my husband go supermarket sometime, me and my husband, no, it's very hard for me, because that my boy, oh my God, you know, go stay one place. If they pick spaghetti, go they pick tin tomato. As they pick tin tomato, go they pick macaroni. Wetin me and no plan say I want to buy. They no write us letter, please. Our name too much. They America, Nigeria, Germany, Nigeria, France, Nigeria, Curtis, Nigeria. Every bad thing na Nigeria. Wetin happen? Mona stop all do this thing, because no be all Nigeria wey dey Europe na you be bad person. No be all Nigeria wey dey Europe you don't know wetin make am comot for house. No be all Nigeria wey comot for Nigeria na you dey Europe e dey misbehave, or e dey go club be like say e dey go party. Because everybody know wetin make am comot for Nigeria. If you do all do this thing before you comot for house, you no go reach here come dey misbehave. You go talk say because of white people they dress naked, you say want to dress naked. I feel for this guy. Make this guy notice say maybe I no fit for him. I feel for you, but your wife never talk wetin really happen. If you talk wetin really happen, I know say woman rights dey for this Germany. They will come outside and fight for you because they no fit collect your children and still put your wife for prison. Wetin your wife do? Wetin your wife do? My brother, wetin your wife do? I know say this video go reach you. Make your wife talk wetin you do. No be that thing happen. No be say they go collect your children, they go still come put your wife for prison. Keep person. Mona stop to give Germany name because me I did Germany. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, because if you did your way, if you respect yourself, you respect your social. See, some guys they will even go social. The way they talk to social, you go be like say now you put that social for the work. You get that right. You get that right for Nigeria. Why you come out for Nigeria? You pass lampa come here. If you reach here, let him maintain our brain. Let him respect ourselves. Because Nigeria no get respect. Nigeria no get respect. No be all. But some Nigeria, they no get respect. They go they talk to social. Be like say now you put that social for the work. They call you for here. They write you letter to come here. They no write you letter to come here. Please. Don't they give Nigeria name? America, Nigeria, Germany, Nigeria, France, Nigeria, Italy, Nigeria, any bad thing in Nigeria. I never see the place where they go put Nigeria, say, now Nigeria do this good thing. I never see this thing where they go pull, say, this thing on Nigeria do this good thing. Only bad thing, and you go, yes, in Nigeria day. If you go spoil person house in Nigeria, if you go do this one in Nigeria, you carry cuttings come up for Nigeria, I still can't do one for year. Please, if you respect ourselves, if you maintain our way, if you maintain your children, church and not fit collect your child. Some mother, they go leave their children for one person, go to party. Social they monitor so also. Don't say maybe social they don't know what everybody they do. They know. They know fucking everything they do. So if you thought say don't they beat your children, you need to respect that law. Because if that children don't start to go school, now for school they know say the children they know they brush their teeth. The school they go know say they know they wash their clothes. Now for that school they go know say that children get body odor. That's why you need to use better soap, better shampoo to bath your baby. Don't they use the lotion cream or bleaching cream you they use? Don't they use them for your children? Children get their cream. They get their shampoo. Because if you go use adult shampoo for your children, that children go get body odor. Now for that school, they go no say, they clean your baby here. Now for this school, they go give your children police number. If your mother do anything bad. So you need to use our sense to follow other that children, because here is not Africa. We like if your children do any small thing, you can take to go and lead them. Or carry that stone, raise and up. You go flog and. You know if you do that kind of rubbish here, but some mothers still they do. And my children. Now your children I understand. Now our children. Then we need to take care of our children. We need to control our children, but we need to respect all this European law, because that's their law. If you just obey that law, you no go get any problem for Germany. Where you go do your rest of your life, you go do one for Germany. But although these people, they no go do and they don't forget, they misbehave, use the children money to what they're not supposed to use the money do. Buy the children good clothes, give the children good food, give the children care and love. No be everything what children do, you go they use them bag. Some mother go they wear Gucci, go they wear Versace, go they wear. If you should come outside today, you go see them for the leg. But that children, it go be like dustbin. It go be like dustbin. Some mother no even get time for their children. They don't get time. If you want to save money, no be the time where they born pikin, and in that pikin start to walk or to creep. Everything are patience. You know, if you use the children money to build house. My brother, my sister. This thing, he get it too much. This one go come outside, they collect my children. This one go come outside, they collect my children. I want to show you the video, but that my small phone wey that video dey inside, why I save the video, the phone just off. But I know say everybody don already see this video online. Everybody don see this video on Facebook. I no need to show you. I no need to show you. This one is not a fake news. Please, women, Nigeria, let him maintain our hunger. Let him respect ourselves. Let him give Nigeria a good name. Because if it that our fucking government, that Buhari, do that Nigeria well, nobody go come here, come they suffer, say they collect our children for our hand. We no go fight for we no go fight for Buhari. Now here one come they fight for president of Germany. They write you to come here. How many citizens of Nigeria government they give money? Then that brother will make that video say because of money, because of how much did they give? How much did they give? If you want to talk, if you want to judge person, you can judge people wey be like say your husband go tell and say in case because of the money, say because you go they receive that money, me I still dey hustle for here, you go Germany, go born. I'm sorry guys, go Germany, go born. If you want to talk that one, you free to talk that one. Because why you go leave your husband for one place? You can't dey here, can't they carry 3 children? 3 children waka up and down. 2 children carry waka up and down. Only you. Now for there they go, they disturb another person husband. Please, bros, you dey go supermarket, help me buy flour, come. Please, you dey go supermarket, please help me buy milk, come. Please, you dey go supermarket, help me buy papas. Meanwhile, your husband dey for the place where be like saying the rest. Only woman no fit take care of children. Only woman. Woman, mona stop all of this actness. Mona stop all of this. Because of this money, I don't want my husband to control this money. I don't want my husband to share this money to me. Which money? Your children no go eat. Your children no go wear pampers. You no go buy clothes for that child. If they go come leave their husband for one place, at the end of the day, if you shall see you say that stress is too much for you, they will collect that charge for your hand. If you don't know, they go collect the charge for your hand. Because as they give you an appointment, you they come only your own. You they push double wagon with 2 children. They see the way the children they give you stress. They will collect that children for your hand. Maybe you felt to say you know get husband or something like that. They will collect that charge because they know say that stress is too much for you. Only you with 2 children. With 2 children. They will collect them. At the end of the day, if you collect the children, go come outside, I don't do anything, I don't do anything. That one where you do, call. You know, talk that one. Why you go leave your husband for one place? You come there here in base of documents, or maybe if I come, they fit deport me. If you want to deport me, they deport you with your own family. Go the place you come. Don't be saying you go come here, go come, they suffer. And at the end of the day, they go still deport you. No, now stop all this thing. Please. Germany is very good. You can't use Germany compare Italy. Never. No man, Italy know they deport. They know they collect children like that. The way Germany they collect children. But Italy, they no get work. They no get work. Even though if you give you document, they will pursue you come out for camp. Whether you don't get money to rent house or you don't get money to rent house, they will pursue you. But Germany, they never do that. If you give you document, if you want to spend 15 years for that camp, you're free. Only thing where I know, say if they work, you go they pay house, you go they pay the room where they sleep, you go they pay the money, but not small money. Now small money, but in Italy, no. If you give you the document, they go pursue you. They will tell you, say, go look for job, go look for house. Yeah, if you give you document, they will give you house. They will pay half the house. They will pay half of the house for you. Your husband you go pay the rest on. Then go they pay the night light bill by yourself. Or else maybe the woman they work, your husband go work. Now you go they pay the rentals by yourself. Government no go support you. Then if you they work for Germany, all the reason why they talk because of money. Because if your husband they work, they know they pay children. Let me tell you, they know they pay children again. They know they pay. They know go they pay the woman. They know go they pay the children. Now that man go they pay that children. You go they pay your wife. So more now stop all of this thing. Make una stop to give Nigeria name everywhere. Nigeria, everywhere Nigeria. Let him give that Nigeria. Let him give her good name. Nigeria don already spoil. We come outside for the place. We come outside for the place. It still dey hard the name for Nigeria. Please, why? Why? Everybody go come outside, carry their picky picture. They collect my children. They collect my children. They collect my children. Make una talk wetin you do before they collect your children. They no fit collect your children like that. Yeah. Mama. Yeah. Go and play. I'm coming. Thank you. Close the door. Please. I know say Jemmy know how to collect the children, but may una obey their law. If you obey their law, you need to use sense to follow all of these people. If you don't use your fucking sense, they go. If you get 4 children, they go use brain collect all the 4 children where you get. They go use brain collect all your children. If you don't use sense, follow these people. Yeah. Because these people, why the stress is too much for all of this single mother, before you take care of the house, before you wash the place, before you go put their clothes for machine, you don't tire, no go get time to take care of the children well. You no go get time. That's why your husband need to stay with you. I no talk about people wey be like say they first stay, they can't separate. But people wey be like say they just leave their husband, they can't carry only the pregnant come here. It's not nice. The stress is too much. You sef, you no go reach how many age you go hold because of that stress wey you pass through. The man just dey one place, they relax, they enjoy their life. You come dey here, come dey suffer up and down, come dey push kindergarten. If you want to go hospital, only you. If you want to go appointment for social, only you. If you want to go see lawyer, only you. If you want to go supermarket, only you. Want to kill yourself because of useless fucking 200 euro where they pay children. If social come see that stress, because all the social wey they dey for the camp, they monitor everybody one by one. You fit talk say I dey lie because if it never happen with you, you go know say I no dey lie. They monitor you the way you dey put kindergarten, they go supermarket, they put in kindergarten, come house again. They see you the way they see you now. That they report you for maybe you for office for maybe the place where they give person advice and money. That they report for there. Say this stress is too much for this woman. You no go complain say the stress is too much for you, but they know say that stress is too much for you. Because if you born for year, you go appointment thing where that baby reach 6 months. If the baby reach 6 months, you go rest on the baby reach you complete 1 year again before you go start clinic again. Only you go hospital, only you go see social, only you go supermarket, only you go meet social say want to renew your advice. Meanwhile, if your husband dey with you, now your husband supposed to collect your advice, go renew. You supposed to dey house to look for the children. Then if you want to do anything for us, your guy can support you and help you to do something inside that house. No be only you. Because here no be Nigeria where be like say if you born, your mother can stay with you. Please now, Abraham, please. Alex, go to your room. Please now. Don't make noise. I'm doing something. Please, yeah? Alex, stop doing it. Yeah, go and do it in your room, please. Please. So, please, that brother where they thought say they collect their children, if anybody this Jamie can fight for this brother, he can fight for their wife, to let their wife come outside for prison, to let their children to come back to their father and their mother. Please come outside, come and help these people. Please come and rescue these people. Now our brother, you no matter maybe na Bini or Isha or Yoruba or Yibo, Nigeria is the Nigeria. You be one. Don't judge about the language. Please come outside, come and help these people. Please, I beg, if you woman rights did this journey, please come outside. Please, it's not easy to take care of to take our children away for us. Please, if anybody did this journey can help this brother to collect their children back and collect their wife, because I know say it's very hard. If you social don't collect your children, it's very hard to collect that child back. It's very hard. Now 50-50. I know say a lot of people dey collect their children, they no even know the place where their children dey. If you give you the opportunity to go dey visit the child, just know say you get luck. Just know say you get luck. Please, I'm begging you the name of God. Our black people, our Nigeria, Senegal, if you get any power for this Jemmy, can fight for this brother, please go to Facebook. You go see this brother video. Please help this brother. Help us. Help us. If anybody dey get the power to speak with Jama, please help us speak. We no get any power. Our leg never strong for ground. Please help this brother. Let their wife come outside for prison, and they let their children to come outside, because although these children wey dey collect, wey dey go put for one place, they no dey comfortable like that. They no dey comfortable. They no dey comfortable. You can watch one video, that one don tey. Wait, the children na you go call police by themselves. Oh, say their mother dey maltreat am. They carry the children go. Where they carry am reach that place, where he run come back. He run come meet him mama. The police come back, come carry the boy. The boy come dey cry. Na him mama come tell am say follow am, because na him go meet am before. Follow am. Please, I beg our black people, if anybody get any power for this journey, if you know say you get the power, you can help this brother, you can give am lawyer, please come and stand and help. You be one. Let him show love each other. Let him show love each other. No be the time when the person die. Now that time come dey wish the person, may perfect rest in peace. May perfect rest in peace. Then meanwhile, when that person dey alive, you know they celebrate am. You know they wish am good thing. You go even they see their picture to comment for that person, and you go hard you. But if that person die, now you be the first person wey go write may perfect rest in peace. Why our black people? If you know say you get the way you can help this brother, please come outside. Come and help this our brother. Please, na Bini person. Please come and help am. I'm begging you the name of God. I'm not a Bini, I'm not a Isha, I'm a Yoruba. But this problem is not about trap. It's not about the language. This one is life. It's about life. Please come and rescue this brother. I dey beg everybody, woman rights, anybody wey you know say you get power for this country, come and help this our brother. Come and help am. Let their wife dey come outside. If you see the way the guy dey talk, he dey feel pain, no fit talk well, he dey even dey cry. But these people, they know they feel whether they cry or no they cry. Oh, because this brother now, he no get any power for this country to fight by themselves. If anybody no support this brother, I'm really dey beg people, I'm really dey beg black. Now this time for you, if you say you dey go church self, now this time your pastor need to come outside and come and help you. If that your pastor no fit come outside to come and help you, you need to stop to go that church. Because if a person get problem, now that time you know say I dey go one church. If that church is stand with you, you go know say this church is the good church for me to go. Please, I'm really beg you. This thing is getting too much. It can happen to you tomorrow. It can happen to your sister. It can happen to your brother. You need to come outside. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. If you know anybody can fight for this brother to collect their children back. 2 children is not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy to enter labor room. It's not easy. I'm begging you in the name of God. If you know anybody can help these people, this time is not for you to come outside to come and judge people. This one is not about judge. Just leave the judge for God. Let God judge. Let the lawyer judge. You are not a lawyer. Don't judge anybody. Whether he beat the children, whether he give the children food or he's not good. If you know so you can help, come outside and come and help this guy. Come and help him. Come help him. Stop to come outside and judge. Wait. He never talk wetin. Yes, I know say he never talk wetin he do. He never talk the real. But don't come outside to come and judge the person or come and talk say he's German. I know German is very good. It's not bad, then it's still bad. You understand? But please, I'm begging you, if anybody know the way you can help this guy, if anybody know the way his wife can come outside, because this woman is not kill anybody. He's not killing anybody. He no go rob. He no go rob. Another punishment they can give this woman. It's not about prison. Then this one go be like lesson for all Nigeria mother. It go be like lesson, because if you never use one person do exercise, or if you never use one person do a sample, I know say our hair you know go dey correct. Because that fucking water where they don't drink for Nigeria, and still they worry some people for this abroad. e still dey worry some people for abroad. The time when you enter lampa, you supposed to drop all of that madness, all of that crazy wey you get for Nigeria. You supposed to drop out for that water. Make the water carry and go. Come live better life for here. No, don't reach here, come dey fight your neighbor, come dey fight this one, you fight this one tomorrow. Now you know, say this person talk this one talk this one. Mind your own business, mind your own fucking business. Don't they enter another person money. If they complain you like that for social, they go collect your children because they don't want to use that your bad character to let that children grow. Some other their children go there, they go they fuck for the children for their president. They go they smoke for the children for their president. They go they drink for their children for their president. Every fucking bad thing where they want to, they go they do them for that children president. Then it's not nice. Because all of these Europe children and they get sense past Nigeria Peking. They get sense. They know something. The battle where you do, you know they come up for their hair. If you tell them say you dey craze, tomorrow they go tell you say you dey craze back. So any war where you want to speak for that your children, let it be a good war. You go be a president, you go be a lawyer, you go be a doctor. Let that one they come outside for your mouth. If you battle they come outside for your children, you go reply for you back. If they smoke for that children president, if you grow, you go smoke. The pikin will never grow, you can't go do dread for am. What do you teach am? Meanwhile, if you grow, say maybe they do rasta. Some people go get boy, go pierce here for am. That one a guy. If you want to show your children love, something the way they show children, go buy good clothes. Carry and sit down. If the pikin wey don dey hear word, they teach am, they tell am good thing. Why go they pierce small pikin? Go put earring, boy. Go put earring for am. If that children can't grow, can't go put tattoo for their body, what you want talk? Because now you teach am. Now you teach am. Small pikin, they do dread for am. That one na guy or what? You go make am fine or you go reduce the ugly way get before. Let him put our children for good road. If you don't they go church, just dey your house and pray. You don't need to go lay down for anybody to put hand for your hair. Lay down inside your room and pray. Don't they do dread for small pikin? Because Enyimbo pikin do am, means I want to do am for my pikin. I want to do am for my pikin. That one is not nice. Please help me watch this video. Don't talk with at the top, because if you know anybody can help this our brother, please help us. Help us. Like this, they go just they enter person house, they collect our children one by one. Because if you no come outside talk, they go think say maybe na normal things that they do. They go think say maybe that they rescue all those children. They put die for our body. I get 3 children and they come collect all my 3 children. Why I want to start? Where? Which camp pick and one born where go reach all that children? More na tell me. Which camp children and one born where go reach that children? I dey beg you, if you know the way you can help this brother, please come outside, come and help. This time is not for this one no be my tribe, this one na Isha, this one na Igbo, this one na Yoruba, this one na this one na that. Na Nigeria. If you go interfere, if you talk say you come from Nigeria, they will tell you say, if you talk say I'm not a Igbo, they will talk say Nigeria is a Nigeria. But the language will not be the same. You can use Igbo compare Yoruba now. It's not possible. But we come for the same land, the same Nigeria, the same fucking damn Nigeria. We come. So we need to support each other. We need to help each other. If you know you can help your sister, tell them. If you know something you can make, you can do to make money, tell the person. Not be only you they grade this life for. Only you want make that they do ma sir for you. Why? This life is not hard like that, so now you know hard like that. Now we wait there inside. Now you just take the life. Be like say tomorrow no day. Be like say no go die. Please, I beg everybody. We get power for this journey. We don't take for this journey. We know the way we can help this our brother to collect their children. Please come outside. Go and watch this video on Facebook. You go see her on Facebook. Please help this guy, because me I never hear one day say German government they collect all of this Arabu they collect their children. They all do this Arabu pikin. Now they know they wash, they know they brush teeth, they know they bath. If you stay Libya before you work for Arabu house, you go know say Arabu know they brush, they know they bath. Once in a week, Nanya Arabu they bath. They go just use soap to wash their face. They know they brush teeth. The time when me there Arabu house where they work, I know if my oga they talk to me, and they go far. Because if they talk the way their mouth they breathe come outside there, you self know you fit get HIV. You fit get HIV. They go wake up early in the morning like this. As you wake up na latte they go carry. That's milk or shine. They go just start to eat. They know they brush. They know they bath. But if you enter bedroom that one day where they want bath once in a week, it go be like say tomorrow no day. They go take before they go come outside. They go take before they go come outside. Nigeria still they bath our children. We still they bath our children. We still they brush our children teeth. We still they do all that one. Mama. Arabu they fit change clothes like 4 times. Yes. What do you want? So I want to edit this video because my boys they disturb me too much. You know, let me really talk with it, they bother my mind. So please, if you know the way you can help this our brother, please come outside, come and help. Please, this time for us to support each other. You don't need to sit down for one person say it's good as they collect their children, because it can happen to you tomorrow. The way you love that person, they go love you more than that. They go love you more than that. Don't they wish person bad thing? Don't they wish person they wish person good thing so that good thing can come to your life? Don't they decide sit down for one place and use your mouth to spoil person name? Go sit down for one person to go they wish person bad. I want me they collect their children. I want me that they deport them. That's the way they wish that person, they go wish you. It can happen with you. That person where you can they wish bad. Good thing can go to that person. Let your mind, they talk this thing every day. Several times I dey talk am. Let your mind dey pure. Get pure heart. Don't they carry your mouth be like say you and person they fight. What? Don't they carry your mouth be like say you and person they fight. You go dey one corner, go they use good one bad man. Go they spoil the person name up and down. Please, mona stop all do this thing. Person wey get good heart, if you reach small time, wey be like say you won't enter the hole. Wey be like say if you enter that hole and a bad hole, that good heart where you get, it no go let you fall inside the hole. But if you no get good heart, if they follow person no get good heart, if they look the person be like say na only you get this one, na only you get that. If you get good heart, your own go come. Everything at time, every day, everything at time. You get your own time, I get my own time. If your time reach, your good thing go reach you. But don't they wish person bad thing? I know say some people now, you go they love this woman and their husband, say good as they collect their children. Meanwhile, it go happen with you tomorrow. You where they wish that guy that thing. Because it say maybe easy, maybe you no get children, because if you get children, you no go wish person say maybe they collect their children. You no go wish and say maybe they collect their children. Please help this brother. I'm begging you, the name of God. Help this our brother. Now Nigeria guy. If it's in Morocco, black is a black. Africa is a Africa. Mona, let's help each other. Let our mouth conclude one thing. Let him cooperate. Please. Let us cooperate. If you cooperate, these white people say they will stay away for us. They will stay away. Please, I want to end this my video. My boys they disturb me, yeah. Please help this brother. Help me share this video. Help me watch this video to the end. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. Let us take care of your children. Don't they leave your husband for Italy. Don't they leave your husband for France. Only you come there, you come they push kindergarten up and down. Only you they go supermarket. Only you they clean the house. Only you they bath the children. Only you they carry the children go school. Now only you go pick the children for school. You want to kill yourself because of fucking 200 euro? You want to kill yourself because of fucking 200 euro? Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. All our women, you need to stop all this rubbish. You need to stop it. If your wife there for Italy, then you want to come and born for Germany, let your husband to follow you come. Let your husband to follow you come so that social no go fit collect your children. Or you know dey feel pain when you wan deliver the baby, maybe you no dey feel pain. Because if you feel pain, you no go open your house to let social to come and collect your child. They go tell some people say provide this pikin father. Some people go talk say no, you no get papa, you no get papa. Im papa don die. Na when she give you belle. Na when she give you the belle. Why our black people like to do like that? How much dey give that children? How much? If your guy stay with you, if he dey work, he go collect more than that money wey social dey pay you. He go collect more than that. He go even get saving. How much you dey save inside that money? Or else maybe you be stingy person wey be like say you no go fit eat, you no go fit buy anything, you no go fit buy good thing for that children. Na here I know say you go fit save the money. Or maybe na spaghetti you dey eat every day, because I know say spaghetti is not expensive for supermarket. More na stop all these things. The way wey dey collect black children is not nice. It's not nice. It's not nice. Let me share this video and watch. Bye.